Yo guys, Danilo Everything here, and today we're gonna be playing Minecraft Java Edition Part 4, and we got a new Commodore, and guess who it is? It's Elijah! I always sound like that, Elijah! It's weird, it's just weird. I might build a house this episode. Okay. I might build a house this episode. And when I feel like I'm good at the game, I might go in a cave because I'm too scared. And I don't want the series 10. Oh my god, my pickaxe just dropped. See, like Q is for different stuff. Okay, let me go back in. Okay. I'm gonna put you a sign up there, putting Elijah right there. And okay, let me make a sign. I know it's 2 sticks. No, it's 1 stick, and it's then it goes like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh yeah, this is copyright music. The Minecraft music is copyrighted. So that's why the Minecraft music is usually not in the thing. Right there. Excuse me. Right there. Right there. Right click and put Elijah the chicken. Chicken. Put Elijah right there, and whoever wants to comment in next can. I'm gonna put another chicken in here before the episodes end, and if you guys didn't watch the last episode and just came straight into it, into this episode, I think you should have watched the other episodes and saw what I done. Let me go. Hold on. Let me close my door real quick. Sorry about that, guys. And yes, we're finally getting iron. I might go in a cave for this episode. I'm scared though, because I don't want to see. Ooh, if you guys didn't see my username, it's Team Craner. Like back in when I first started the Java edition, about a couple of months ago. I love Craner, so I just put Team Craner. That was my username, and I need to go get some more wood. I might remove the stairs, change the thing. Oh yeah, let me see if I can find. Oh, I found sand. Perfect. And I need sand for something else too, if you guys. Oh my god. It sounds realistic and annoying at the same time. Is there a water drowning this? I'm scared now. It's too loud. I might do a Wizard Tycoon video with someone. If you guys want to be in one of my YouTube videos, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment what's your Roblox username. I'll just friend you. We can play a Roblox video game together. But subscribe, not unsubscribe, because I have 46 subs, now I have 45. So one of you guys didn't listen for one of the parts. So, but if you guys want to be in one of my Roblox videos, subscribe to my channel, but not unsubscribe. Subscribe. I better come in my house real quick. Oh yeah, in my house, I'm gonna add glass as the roof and just made it cool. I'm gonna make it cool. Cool. Hey, let me go to bed. I have to get light. I'm poor. I don't have electricity. Oh my god, no. Place. How do you place stuff down? Isn't it right click? Right click. No. Oh, good. I thought I was like, ooh, I was gonna cry. Okay. I'm poor. I might do it. I'm gonna go get some light. I'm gonna go get some light real quick. If I die in this episode, I'm gonna put going into caves, super dangerous. Super dangerous. Part 5. I might do it. I might dig straight down. Only if this episode hits. No, I'm not doing it. I'm going there. Let me see. I'm scared. I'm shaking. See guys, look. This is how scared I'm going to a cave. Never punch bees in Minecraft. Okay, let me go up. Go up. Is this a... There's a mine... Oh my god. Imagine if I just fall in, series ends. Scared. I might start if I grab this coal. Okay. If I die in this episode, I'm gonna have to. Where's the coal? I'm scared. Guys, help me. Guys, help me. Guys. But how do you crouch? Isn't it shift? Shift. No. I know how to play backwards. I know how to play backwards. I know how to play backwards. I keep saying that because I'm scared, and that's the only thing that's gonna make. Don't guys, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. If a creeper just falls, I'm gonna be really sad and the series ends. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, no. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm right here on the coal. Good. Good. Now I'm just gonna go upstairs. Actually, I'm gonna be very smart. And look, right here. Right here. I'm gonna go in that ravine if I get 47 subscribers. If I get back to 46 subscribers, I'm gonna go back in that cave. It's too scary. Oh, go back in. Sorry, B, but I'm gonna have to mind this, cause bad idea. That was scary. Because what if I mind the bees and there was like a bunch of bees and the series ends? Well, I'm just lucky that he's playing on the Nintendo of the Bedrock edition. Like on the computer, on Java edition, it's hard to play. Where it's like, it's not like on the Xbox, because on the Xbox it's way more easier. I might restart a Minecraft series on the Xbox. Have it edited on iMovie. If you guys are wondering, like, if you check out Elijah's channel and you saw that his thing was edited on iMovie and why not mine, is because there's a reason. Like, I have to pay to get mines. I have to pay money to get mines like his. And I don't have, and I'm gonna have it next by this week. No, I think next week. Yeah, next week, the 30th. So my videos are gonna be way more better on the 30th. My gaming videos are gonna be way more better on the 30th. So, okay. Or it might be earlier. Okay. Stop, chicken. I was gonna say stop, chicken Elijah. Okay. Got torches, finally. I can light up this place. Finally, okay. Now, there's gonna be, I'm gonna not do my outro, but I'm gonna change up my house, and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. See you guys soon. Bye. Guys, I changed up my thing to make it like this. Looks kind of look better now. But now, I'm gonna have like this light every time. This is like the show of respect for my channel, so every time, so no one can actually copy me, but they have to get my permissions. They have to tell everybody to sub to my channel first before they do, if they want to copy me. And if they know me and want to copy me, they have to get my permissions. And see you guys in the next episode. Bye. And this is proof as show new